SPH4U, Energy and Momentum. 3.1 Work. So work is defined as the energy transferred to an object via the application of a force along a displacement. And work's equation is W is equal to F cos theta delta D, where F, that is the force that is causing the work, cos theta, that has to do with the angle at which the force is acting, and delta D, that is the displacement. The SI unit for work is the joule. The joule is also defined as a Newton meter. So here are a few notes on work. So zero work occurs when the displacement is 0. Negative work is when either the force or the displacement is negative, and no work is done in a centripetal situation. So here's a quick example. If a box is pushed with a force of 15.5 newtons over a distance of 2.44 meters at an angle 25.5 degrees below the horizontal, what is the work done? So we know that delta D is equal to 2.44. We know that the force is equal to 15.5. And we know that theta is equal to 25.5 degrees. So if we plug this into our equation, W is equal to F cos theta delta D. Work is equal to 15.5 times cos of 25.5 times delta D, which is 2.44. So that is equal to 34.2 joules of work. So here's an example of a question where the work is done by friction. So a box glides to a stop after 16.4 meters, and the mass of the box is 64.2 kilograms, and the coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.106. So first we need to find the force of friction. So let's define this as the positive direction. So we have the floor. This signifies that there's friction. Fn, Fg, Fk. Fk is acting against the direction of motion. So Fk is equal to mu k Fn. That's an equation from last unit. So Fk is equal to mu k of Fg, because Fg has the same magnitude as Fn in this scenario. So Fk is equal to mu k times mg. So Fk is equal to 0.106 times 64.2 times 9.8. That comes out to be 66.7 newtons. So now we have to find the work done by friction. So work is equal to F cos theta times delta D. So that's equal to 66.7 times cos of 180, because the direction is the opposite of that of motion, and times 16.4, that's displacement. So negative 193.88 joules of work were done in this scenario.